So guys, today we're going to learn about SEO, which is search engine optimization. Before you upload your videos, how do you optimize it? Do you optimize your videos for search, or do you just upload your videos without optimization? So I want to show you guys how to optimize your videos so that you can be found in the search results, and also for your videos to be recommended, you have to optimize your videos. Do you just coin up titles in your head? Today I'm going to show you how to stop doing that. Make sure you get the correct title for your videos, correct descriptions and tags for your videos. So I'm going to use a tool called vidIQ, and I'm also going to leave the link in my description box. Make sure to sign up using my link, and I will get a little commission if you sign up using my link. So let's dive into the other parts of the video while I share my screen. After you sign up using my referral link in the description box, you will come to this page and then you click on keywords. Click on keywords, and let's say I search for something. So this means that the competition is medium, 46.38, while the search volume is high. 11,000 people are searching for how to remove video watermark. And then I added video watermark. It says the competition is low and the search volume is 3,000, medium. So when the competition is low, it means you as a small creator can go in and create videos on this topic. But if it is high, it means if you create a video, you're going to compete with bigger people. Okay. So if you click on related keywords, you'd see all these ones on green. They are low. The competitions are low. Make sure you go for keywords that have low competition but high search volume. So this particular one, remove watermark from video, has about 144,000 search volume, but the competition is low with 4 keywords. Also, this is matching terms. How to remove watermark from video, Premiere Pro, and all the rest of them. This one is even very low. How to remove watermark from video, DaVinci Resolve, very low. So these are the type of title or that you should go for, or the type of topic you should go for when making a video. All right. So let's say we copy one of these. Let's say we'll copy one of these, and then we'll go to YouTube, your YouTube homepage. Go to your YouTube homepage and paste it here. So you can see all the things that we saw in there are here. Let's say we choose the first one like we did. So what you're going to do is to go for recently uploaded videos. You could see people that have you can see people that have just uploaded their own and how many views they've gotten so far. So is when you look at the people that have uploaded and how many views they've gotten, this will now tell you whether you should go for this type of video, and if you also use this title, if your videos are going to rank or not. So let's say we add something. Let's say we choose another one. You can see that a lot of people are making videos on this particular topic. So it means that if you make a video on this topic right now, your videos are going to get ranked. Okay, and you can add in 2024 to make it profound in your title. So now we go back to YouTube. Then you add that title, how to remove watermark from video in 2024. This is going to be your title. Then vidIQ shows you the score of your title. This one ranks 79. So I'm going to try to tweak it and see if it goes up. How to remove watermark from video. From Premiere Pro. Let's check. DaVinci. Let's use this. But this depends on the type of topic you're making or the type of video you're making. Alright. Then, if you sign up for using vidIQ, you have opportunity to get suggestions here. vidIQ will help you suggest. So it says, stop wasting time resolving watermarks. So you see, let's use this one. It's in green, 87, which means the score is really good. So make sure that the keywords in your title are also going to appear in your description. Okay. So tweak this around. So I'm going to say in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark in DaVinci Resolve. Now let's say in this master class, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from DaVinci Resolve in 10 minutes. in less than 10 minutes. So while you're doing that, you can also copy and paste the keywords here and allow vidIQ to write a description for you. So this is the one it has written. It says, learn how to easily remove the watermark from DaVinci Resolve in less than 10 minutes. Follow along as we show you the simple steps to take to get rid of the pesky watermark on. So all you need to do is to click on insert. So make sure again that those keywords are also in your title. So again, this vidIQ helps you with titles. So you can see it's already here. All you do is insert it into your tags. Click on refresh. It keeps refreshing, and you include all of them. Also, you can go back and copy the tags that you want for your video. Copy them and paste. So when you look at it, I know it's still updating. Very soon, this score you're seeing will change to 100. But from 80 to 100, it's okay. It's okay. So this is all you need to do to get your video ranked, to get your video pushed out there, to get your video suggested in the YouTube search results. So this is the end of this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, I want you to like, subscribe, and share, as I will be updating you soon on other ways to improve your YouTube views. Okay? So I'll see you in the next video.